Welcome to the Beach Chair, where we talk about anything under the beautiful sun of La Union. From food, wellness, art, the community, and the people that makes La Union your dream destination. Okay, so today is a very special episode. Alpas is very honored. I am very happy to have our guest today. Hindi ko alam kung tama, but I did my research. A lot of firsts for them this year. First Filipino group to top with the most monthly listeners on Spotify. First Filipino group to have their on the Billboard's top song chart. And then, Women's Rising Star Award on Billboards as well. So, wag natin pahabain pa. Let's all welcome Beanie. Hello. Welcome to La Union. Okay, before we start, I have to get this correct. Okay, so, Joanna, right? Joanna. Aya, of course, I know Aya. We ran together. She was here, I think last year. She was here. We ran together. Sheena, Maloy, Mika, Colette, Gwen, and Stacy. Tama? Okay. I did my research. Okay, tama ba yung mga sinabi ko kanina? Okay. So, wow, parang that all happened first quarter of 2024 pa lang, di ba? Parang people think na it's an overnight success, but it's not. I did my research. Anyone can answer. How did Beanie start? Paano nagsimula? Saan nanggaling yung Beanie? Kailan ba nagkaroon ng Beanie?
Meron po kasing Starhan Gand auditions po noong 2018. So parang...
So 2018 pa?
2018 po. Pero yung audition na yun, hindi siya specifically for girl group talaga. Meron for Pinoy Big Brother, The Voice, Tawag ng Tanghalan. So malaking auditions talaga siya.
So with ABS?
Opo,
Okay.
Tapos, nag-callback lang po kami na nag-callback. Tapos, hindi namin alam na for girl group na rin pala yung binubuo. Na bakit kami pinapasayaw, pinapakanta. Opo, it was a secret project po. Tapos, na-house kami year 2019, May 17, 2019.
Okay, happy anniversary.
Doon kami nag-start tumira po sa isang bahay. Tapos, walang uwian po. Pwede kami umuwi weekends.
So parang Big Brother without the camera.
Yes.
Okay, but...
Actually, meron po.
Meron pa din.
Kasi
There was a time before.
May team kasi na kumukuha ng mga
Parang
paghihirap namin.
footages. Okay. So everyone auditioned. But prior to auditioning, meron bang magkakakilala na sa inyo or wala?
Total
As in, so
strangers.
zero connection and then biglang pinagsama-sama kayo sa isang house.
Galing po kami sa iba't ibang
Province.
Oh, okay. And then you all went to Manila to audition?
No po.
Meron mga provincial, so may mga satellite audition. And then, how was it like living together? How long were you living together?
4 years? 4. 3 to 4?
3 years. Wait,
Yeah.
nagkaroon ng pandemic, di ba? So, na-lockdown kayo magkakasama.
Stuck in one house. We can't
Okay.
go out at any weekend or whatever.
Oo. And then, so you cook your own food, and then
Yeah.
lahat talaga. And then, those whole 3 years, training, coming up with your song. I'm curious kasi parang parang kahit saan ako pumunta, naririnig ko, Pantropiko, Salamin. Who makes your songs? And then even the choreography, tinatry kong aralin. Sorry, hindi ko nagawa. hindi ko na naaral in the last week. But who makes your songs? Who does the choreography?
We got our songs from different producers, but specifically Pantropico and Salamin, they were produced by Flip Music. And then the choreography, Pantropico's chorus, Sheena did it, our main dancer. And Salamin, Coach Mickey did the chorus.
So, okay. So, meron bang mga assigned roles? Like for example, ikaw, ako yung singer, ikaw yung dancer, or everyone does the same thing?
Actually, before po nung nag-launch kami, may mga positions po. Pero kasi ngayon, parang hindi na namin siya,
Hindi na namin minamind kasi anyone can, if you give them the part for rap, sing, dance,
So,
nagagawa
group effort talaga. Group efforts. Okay.
parang hindi na namin siya kinoconsider ngayon.
Okay.
We can do everything.
Wow! All around there.
Yeah. And then, 2024 came in, TikTok happened, doon nag-start lahat, di ba? Tama ba? Doon nag-start na nag-viral. There's this one, Pantropico dance challenge on TikTok. And then from there, all uphill na.
So, actually, at first, hindi yung song namin is Nana Na. But, nag-viral siya after pa 9 months na na-release namin yung album.
Okay.
Kasi dahil ginabort ng mga POV, ng mga TikTokers or mga content creators. And then, nung release ko namin yung Pantropico, it was November. And a lot of people are asking, bakit namin release in November, off-season. Pero, ang paniniwala sa namin sa Pantropico is yung summer finish na process. It's the feeling. And I think it's the perfect time din. Kasi na-milk yung Pantropico. And ngayon na March, May, mas na-appreciate siya ng mga tao. So I think it's the perfect time to release that. And after that, yung pa-release na namin na kinakabahan ka kami at first kasi baka mamaya hindi namin masundan yung Pantropico. Grabe kasi yung traction niya.
And you don't want to be a one-hit wonder.
Yeah. And ngayon na-appreciate siya ng mga tao. And really thankful for everyone.
Of course, more than timing, more than luck, we owe it to your fans. Diba? So, I did my research. Our fans are called Bloom. Bakit naging Bloom?
Actually po nagkaroon ng botohan bago pa lang kaming Beanie. Like,
Okay.
may mga suggestions from our fans and from us din, ganyan. Then, nag-live kami, then nagbotohan. And then, napanganak po si Blooms. Yung po siya
Okay, so
nakuha.
online, you did it online.
Yes, and yung story ng Blooms is, kasi parang yung sign ng Beanie is like a flower.
Okay.
Tapos, flower blooms. Ganyan,
Okay.
we're together, Blooms and Beanie. We bloom together, let's all bloom forever.
Pag naging bloom ka,
Then-
magiging blooming ka.
Kaya maging bloom na kayo lahat.
And then the fans adopted it. Kasi
Yeah.
then they started their own mga groups na. Okay. So, let's keep it light kasi napapanood ko yung ibang interviews nyo, nag-iiyakan. So, para wag tayo, happy lang tayo since we're in La Union. So, my next question is, since Bloom yung fan base nyo, kung magiging flower kayo, what kind of flower are you and why? One by one, sige.
Parang first time ko narinig yung question na yun. Parang ang hirap. Very nice and unique question.
Siguro ako tulip. Kasi dinadayo pa siya para makita.
Hindi, binibili lang yun eh.
Ay, ang hirap. Siguro, yung favorite ko na lang, white na rose. Kasi wala lang.
Favorite ko white color. Tsaka, that's all I can think of right now.
Okay.
Wow, thank you ha.
Ako po, red rose. Because it's romantic.
Wow, because
I'm romantic.
So yung white hindi.
Or
I'll just pick red carnations kasi they're used to fill up the bouquet. So, yun lang kulang sa buhay niyo and now it's complete. Ganon.
Ako po, sunpan. Daisy na lang.
Daisy.
Or sunflower.
Tulips.
Philips din.
Ako po yung color pink na orchids na emoji.
Okay. So, Blooms, alam niyo na yung mga favorite flowers nila. Baka mamaya, after this episode, sunod-sunod na yun. But are you still living in the same house?
Ano?
Yeah.
Parang kaya. Thank you, Lord.
Okay. So, sige. Since this is an La Union episode, Alpas La Union episode, sino dito yung nakapag-La Union na before?
Si Ayan pala.
And Sheena. And then,
Si Stacy.
so, the rest is first time.
Yes.
First time. So, but you know of La Union, di ba? So, parang bago kayo, nung nalaman dyan na, okay, magkakaroon ng show yung Beanie sa La Union, parang, my question is, what's the most exciting part? Saan kayo pinaka-na-excite about? Surfing. Okay.
You know,
So, everyone may, sige, surfing. Nakapag-try na ba? May nakapag-surf na before?
no,
Wala ba? Okay. Sa kanina. Okay,
First
you
time.
did your surf
it was
lessons
easier
kanina.
than we expected. Kala namin
Easier
sobrang
than
hirap, yung
expected.
hindi ka makakatayo.
Well,
Lahat na tayo.
so parang that's also the main reason why I moved to La Union. Before, I'm originally based in Manila, and then parang every weekend I go to La Union, to Baler, to surf. Tapos at some point, wala pa nung SCTEX, wala pang TPLEX. So yung travel time namin, 8 to 10 hours every weekend. And we go. Wala pang Alpaso lang kahit na for the love of surfing. And then eventually, 2015, I moved here. And then set up my businesses. So that's my story. It's also surfing. That's why I moved to La Union. So, pasadahan lang natin, But actually, La Union is not only about surfing. Para like what Aya did, she went here, tapos sumama siya doon sa run club namin. So, I'm going to throw at you parang options, 2 choices, tapos pili kayo kung alin yung gusto niyo. Okay? Sige. So, let's start with surfing or running, hiking?
Surfing.
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 Running or hiking?
Running or hiking?
Running or hiking?
Running or hiking?
Surfing.
Ay, wow!
Sa second time
Ba't parang may laman yung, parang may laman yung wow?
Surfing, hindi ko pa na-try, pero I want to try.
Hindi ka. Okay. Surfing. Okay. So, since na-try nyo na kanina, how was it? May instructor tas tinulak kayo. Did you try paddling? You tried paddling. Nakatayo naman lahat.
Apa. Nanginig lang.
Sakto yung dating niya actually kasi may waves. Okay. So, next question. Kami mga surfers kasi, the best time to surf is either you wake up really early, we call it dawn patrol, para wala kang kagulo sa lineup, ikaw yung una, or you do sunset, kasi La Union is known for its really beautiful sunset. Umuulan lang ngayon, di natin nakita, but we have the best sunset. Para it could rival or these other sunsets in the Philippines. So my question is, are you more of a sunrise or sunset person?
Sunset.
Sunset.
Sunset. Sunset.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Sunrise.
Sunrise. So, ikaw lang yung magang gumising.
Ay, hindi na.
Sunrise ko, pero hindi matutulog. At
Okay. Hintayin na yung sunrise. Okay.
Sunrise matulog.
Next question would be, do you prefer traveling solo or traveling with a group? Have you tried traveling alone?
Ate Aya po.
Yeah.
Oo, alam ko siya, mahilig talaga siya mag-travel.
I was solo when I
Oo.
went here.
So, the rest of the guys, parang do you prefer traveling solo? Kasi sabi nila, if you wanna go fast, travel solo. But if you wanna go far, travel with a group. So, kayo, anong
solo ako.
solo traveler?
Pili ko ngayon solo na. Kasi daw natin travel together. Okay. Ako, bro.
Group. Mas gusto mo may kasama?
Yeah, I can.
Ah.
Pili ko pa maliligaw ako and baka kung ano mangyari sa akin pag mag-isa.
Okay.
Solo.
Solo.
With family po.
With family. You prefer traveling with family.
Sorry. Ako po, I cannot live alone with a group.
Solo.
Gusto ko po ma-try mag-solo.
You've never tried,
Never,
pero
never.
you want
Yes.
to do it. Ibang experience kasi I also enjoy din parang backpacking. Since we're at the beach, my next question is, what's your beach essential? Isang item lang na yung kailangan dala mo siya if you go to the beach.
Shade.
Sunblock. Yeah, sunblock.
Shade.
Camera po.
Camera.
Shade.
Phone ko po.
Curious lang ako, bawal ba kayo umitim? Or may strict ba yung management?
Gusto ko na ako umitim eh. Parang hindi ko maghanap. Hindi po mali.
Ang sobrang...
Oo, kasi parang especially if you go to the beach, hindi mo talaga may iwasan, di ba? But you love going to the beach. Okay, enjoy naman. Enjoy so far. So, medyo serious ulit tayo. Parang after that, viral na ngayon, sobrang sikat niya na. Parang, can you still go out na parang pwede ba kayong pagpunta sa mall na hindi kayo... Kasi, I know, medyo nagiging news pag nagmo-mall show kayo. As in, dinudumog talaga yung parang, ano yung mga major changes since na from last year as to, let's say, 2 weeks ago? Okay.
Wala pa naman po kami dun sa level na talagang
Hindi na kayo makakain outside.
Tsaka siguro mas challenging kasi hindi kami nakakapasok talaga sa mga iba't ibang stores. Kasi syempre may mga endorsement.
Okay.
Tsaka bawal tayo lumabas na walang ayos. So, dapat laging presentable. Kasi
Oh,
anytime,
okay.
baka makitaan ka ng magandang brand, tapos makita yung dugo.
Everywhere. Hoodie, mask, cap,
But
gano'n.
definitely, parang, ano yung major change in your life now as compared to parang nung, remember all your struggles nung nag-start kayo 2018, 2019, and then finally, eto na, yung hinihintay nyo lahat, di ba? Parang ano yung pinaka-major change na you would say? Parang ano yung pinaka-nabago sa inyo being part of Beanie?
Ako, I think
masaya kasi marami nakaka-appreciate sa'yo kahit anong gawin mo. Pero at the same time, nandun din yung risk na, baka pag may nagawa ka, isang pagsakit, isang iglap na nababagsak ka. Like, lahat ng tao nakatingin sa'yo, so you have to be more careful kasi yung influence with it is malaki.
Malawak na yung reach.
Malawak na yung reach, so you have to be voice sa lahat ng garden.
Ako po, ang daming nagpapa-video greet.
Video greet.
Kada uwi ko sa hometown sa Cebu, parang, imbis na you wanna rest, ay, pwede pa video greet? Pwede pa video greet?
Papasok ka pa lang ng
bahay,
nakakatulong listahan.
May listahan.
And siguro yung
Pero-
nakakapag-provide na kami for
Yes,
ourselves.
yeah. And for family.
And for family.
Ganda. Kasi parang nakita ko din, parang I don't wanna, kasi ayokong umiyak kayo. Parang nakita ko yung mga previous videos nyo, parang most of you are breadwinners. Diba? Tama, breadwinners. And now na parang you're earning money, and then nasusupport nyo na yung mga family nyo sa respective provinces. Parang all your immediate family, especially those ones who come from the province, nandun pa rin sila. Okay. Next question. Kung halimbawa walang Winnie, what do you think yung ginagawa mo ngayon? Parang kung halimbawa hindi kayo member nung Winnie. Kasi for example, akala ko magiging lawyer ako, tapos biglang, wala na ako sa law nyo. No. Parang I took Pol Sci, akala ko gusto ko maging lawyer. Hindi pala. Ayoko magbasa. So, yun.
At saka mag-memorize.
At mag-memorize. Tama. So, kung halimbawa walang Winnie, ano sa tingin niyo yung ginagawa niyo ngayon?
Students. Ako, graduate na ako. Siguro ako din. Business.
Business.
I was been thinking about law, diba? Kami ni Ate Colette. Pero it's too long and too much.
4 years. Yeah.
Siguro, tulad din ko na-graduate na kasi magka-year kami. And I think siguro hindi ko ma-unleash yung creativity ko when it comes to arts. Kasi dito ko parang...
Yung potential.
Okay, kaya ko palang gawin.
Me po, feeling ko, I would have pursued medicine. Kasi all my friends from
Mas
my
matagal
province,
yun. Wow.
lahat sila medtech ng kinuha.
Okay.
Kasi talagang yung sa utak ko na doktor, biglang nagkanan.
Nagkana na.
Kaliwat kanan.
Oo.
Ako po, pili ko gusto po talaga mga artista po.
Artist time.
Or
Yan
reporter.
talaga. Yeah.
Kasi sa harap ng camera.
Camera. Yeah.
Ako po, gusto ko po maging flight attendant. Sa airplane talaga.
Flight attendant din. Okay. That's it. Parang alam ko meron kayong big concert coming up. Diba? June 28. So parang any last word for your fans? Invite niya sila. What's next for Bini? Ano pa yung mga... Also, syempre, parang by the time we air this, hindi kasi real time, pero tomorrow you're gonna have your concert here in Alpas, di ba? Tama? Mm-hmm. So ano pang next? Ano nakaline up for Bini? Yung pwedeng sabihin, yung pwedeng i-share.
Yung masabi lang namin, syempre magkita-kita po tayo sa flight 8 to 30 this June po para sa concert namin. And pupunta po kami sa California po for ASAP this August 3. Yep.
Okay, cool.
Po tayo dun. Sa ngayon yun po muna, pero madami kami surprises this year, so abangan niyo please.
Okay. To close it up, para lang interesting and then we end light then. Di ba yung Philippines composed of 7,107 island? Okay, kung papipiliin kayo, kung halimbawa, pipili kayo ng isang islang pantropiko sa Pilipinas, alin yung pipiliin nyo and bakit? Aling islang pantropiko sa Pilipinas?
Ako, Siargao, para mapuntahan naman natin yung Alpas doon. So,
Okay. Yeah, galing.
Ang showbiz na to.
sana ako po na po Siargao.
Siargao.
O ba't Siargao
Okay.
pinili?
Gusto ko mapuntahan. Siguro Palawan. Kasi ang daming
Ganda rin
tourist
Palawan.
spots doon and di taga din yung mom ko.
Oh, saan sa Palawan?
I used to live there. Palawan, Brooks Point.
Okay.
Brooks
Ganda.
Point, Palawan. So, yeah.
Ako, babalik rin naman ako dito eh. Sure na akong babalik ako dito. So, laon yun.
Since sa taga Bohol po ako, so Bohol or Siargao.
Ako po, Sorsogon.
Donsol, Whale Shark.
Ako, La Union. Siyempre, I love the waves here.
Nice, nice. Good answer, yeah.
LA din po, kasi ito yung place na pinaka nag-enjoy ako for the past few hours.
Okay, maraming salamat. Thanks for coming over. I'm really excited for what's next for you guys. Good luck sa concert tomorrow here in La Union. Good luck sa big first concert nyo. And have fun. Enjoy. I'll see you next time. And then, one last. Sama kayo sa run namin. Pag, when we run. Pag may free time.
Meron din, di ba po?
So here we run every Wednesday and Sunday. Okay, salamat.
Thank you po.
That's it. Thanks for joining us with this episode. Please follow Alpas La Union, Alpas Siargao on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, or all our social media accounts. Come visit Alpas La Union, Alpas Siargao. We always have a seat reserved for you. See you next time at the beach chair.